Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the parent ring. The core structure is a 6-membered carbocycle, cyclohexane-cyclohexene. There is one double bond in the ring, making it a cyclohexene. Moving on to the next step. Identify and number the substituents on the cyclohexene ring. The principal characteristic group is the carboxylic acid, COH, which receives the lowest possible locant. Assign C1 to the carbon-bearing COH. Moving around the ring, C2 bears a chlorine atom. The double bond exists between C2 and C3, or equivalently, choosing numbering so the double bond is between C2 and C3 gives cyclohex 2Na. C4, or C5 depending on direction, bears the cyclobutyl substituent. Proper IUPAC numbering to give lowest locants places, C1 is equal to COH, C2 is equal to Cl and one end of double bond, C3 is equal to other end of double bond, C4 is equal to cyclobutyl attachment, giving the prefix cyclohex 2Na. Moving on to the next step. Name the substituent on C4. The attached ring is a cyclobutane ring with a ketone, OXO, C is equal to O, at the 3 position relative to the point of ring attachment, giving 3-oxocyclobutyl. And for the final step, assemble the full IUPAC name. Parent chain, cyclohex 2Na1 carboxylic acid. Substituents, 6-chloro, the Cl is on C6 when carboxylic acid is C1 and double bond is between C2 and C3 numbering so that Cl gets the lower locant consistent with the double bond position, and 4,3-oxocyclobutyl. Combining 6-chloro-4,3-oxocyclobutyl, cyclohex 2Na1 carboxylic acid, which matches the given answer written as 6-chloro-4,3-oxocyclobutyl, cyclohex 2Na carboxylic acid. Verify locants. With C1 is equal to COH, the double bond between C2, C3, Cl on C6 adjacent to C1 on the other side, and the cyclobutyl group on C4 the locant set 1, 2, 4, 6 is the lowest possible set, confirming the numbering is correct. Therefore, the correct answer is 6-chloro-4,3-oxocyclobutyl, cyclohex 2Na carboxylic acid. The correct answer is shown on screen.